Hello everyone, myself Lokendra Singh and today we will discuss on basics of RTD. In RTD stands for R for resistance, T for temperature and D for detect. RTD also known as resistance thermometer. Introduction of RTD. RTD is the temperature sensor used to measure the temperature of industrial process. It operates on the measurement principle that the material electric resistance changes with temperature. Temperature-sensitive material used in the construction of RTDs include platinum, nickel, and copper. Platinum being the most commonly used. This is the general diagram of RTD. In this diagram, one side is mineral insulated sheet that is hot end and other side is cable for termination. RTD is customized product, so we provide different dia and length of MI sheet. We construct RTD with minimum 1.5 mm dia. In hot end of RTD, we use platinum element. Head is also used instead of cable for termination. Fitting is used for connection of RTD in process. Working of RTD. RTD works on basic correlation between metal resistance and temperature. Electric resistance of metal change with change in temperature. Whenever temperature of metal is increased, its electrical resistance will also increase. That means temperature of metal is directly proportional to metal resistance. Through this formula, we can calculate the resistance RT equal to R naught alpha naught T plus 1, where RT stands for resistance of RTD at temperature T, R naught equal to resistance of RTD at 0 degree Celsius, alpha naught equal to temperature coefficient of resistance. RTD elements are commonly specified according to their resistance in ohms at 0 degree Celsius. The most common RTD specification is 100 ohm, which means 100 ohm at 0 degrees Celsius. This is also known as PT100. So platinum is the most commonly used metal for RTD because of high accuracy, excellent repeatability, linearity over a wide range of temperature. Platinum provides large enough resistance change per degree change in temperature. Platinum RTD is suitable for temperature range -200 degrees Celsius to 850 degrees Celsius. Normally, industrial RTD are used at temperature range up to 400 degrees Celsius. RTD is categorized in two types basic of their accuracy, Class A and Class B. Class A, it is considered high accuracy and has an ice point tolerance of plus minus 0.06 ohm. Class B, it is standard accuracy and has an ice point tolerance of plus minus 0.12 ohm. RTD construction. RTD is categorized in two types based on its sensor construction. Thin film type RTD and wire wound type RTD. In thin film type, very fine layer of platinum is deposited on a ceramic plate. Then the platinum film and wire connection are sealed together with a glass layer. Wire wound type. In wire wound technology, a coil of the platinum wire is made onto a ceramic mandrel. Platinum thin film RTD are most commonly used for industrial purpose. RTD configuration. There are three types of RTD are available for based on their wire configuration. Two-wire RTD. This RTD has two wire leads. In two-wire RTD, there is no way to compensate the lead wire resistance of RTD. Two-wire RTD is less accurate than three-wire and four-wire RTD. Two-wire RTD is used where lead length is short and accuracy is not concerned. Three-wire configuration. This RTD has three-wire element. The RTD is most commonly used in industrial application. This third lead wire provides the lead compensation and hence the average resistance of lead wire is reduced, which improves the accuracy of RTD. This RTD is mostly used in industrial application. Four-wire configuration. It is used for higher accuracy. It is used in laboratory purpose. The four-wire leads form a true bridge which provides the best lead compensation. Advantages of RTD. high accuracy than thermocouple, excellent stability at high temperature, good inerty as compared to thermocouple, wide temperature range, easy to install, and good repeatability. Applications of RTD. RTD is used in process industries like food and pharma industry, petrochemical industry, laboratories, nuclear industry, power industry, non-ferrous industry, cement industry, chemical and fertilizer industry, steel industry. Thank you.